Hey groomers, Tyler out of Colorado, going to show you how to reassemble your blade if it falls apart. Firstly, we have our spring, blade guide, the socket, 2 screws, the comb, and the cutter. Those are the parts to your blade. Firstly, we're going to oil the comb. I put a lot of oil on. I like the oil. And then we'll put the cutter on. We'll put oil in the blade guide area just so that doesn't create heat. Next, we'll take the spring and blade guide and assemble those together. Just put the spring slot in and put the blade guide on. Next, we'll do the socket. Put the socket in just like that. Make sure it sits properly and put it all back down on the blade. Check out your Phillips screws. Make sure they're not cammed out. Pinch the blade together by the socket and flip it over, making sure not to lose any of the pieces. Realign the socket hole with the comb and then screw it in and back off just a little bit so we can adjust the set here in a moment. Same thing, back it off. Now we're going to take a look at the set. Very crooked right now. That will cut a dog. So we'll pull it down with our thumbs. You might have to re-loosen the screws a little bit if you can't pull it down. As you see, it takes some effort. Next, look at it from each side. Make sure it looks even and level. And then just to do a final check, we'll take a thick business card or a credit card and make sure the setback is correct. See how you can just barely see the top of the teeth? That's what you want to see. Then we will re-tighten all the screws and you're done. Thanks.